Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the app and enabling the essential permissions so tracking works reliably. Install the official tracker, sign in, and name the device. This links data to your account. Once done, switch the phone to high-accuracy GPS mode and permit background location so the app reports while idle. Make sure notifications are allowed for alerts and that battery optimization is turned off for the app. That prevents the system from stopping location updates. You now configure how the tracker behaves and prove it works. Choose an update interval, shorter for real time, longer for battery savings, and enable motion-based reporting if available. Next, add geofences and assign alert types for entry, exit, or loitering so you only get meaningful notifications. Once configured, perform a quick live test by walking or driving and watch the map. The test shows GPS accuracy and identifies if you need to tweak intervals or permissions before relying on continuous monitoring. You finish by actively monitoring and sharing access, then keeping everything current. Use the live map for immediate tracking and history to review routes. Share secure links with specific contacts rather than public posting. Make sure automatic updates are on and background services or auto-restart are allowed so the app runs after reboots. If tracking goes stale, try the key troubleshooting step. Reboot the phone, reassert location permissions, and retest in an open sky area to rule out GPS reception problems before changing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.